oil prices surged to the highest level in more than a year. Holy moly. And we don't have a big war. We don't have anything. That's why this undercurrent is very suspicious. What is causing the price to go up? You try to dig everywhere, you cannot find. You cannot find a reason. A real reason, the catalyst. Okay? So let's kind of stretch this piece of article together. And here we go. Highest level in over 1 year after crude stocks at a key storage hub fell to their lowest since July last year. The US West Texas Intermediate futures touched 95. The futures rate touched 95. Later on, the normal oil will also touch 95 during Asia trading hours, marking the highest since August last year. All right. So please remember the context. We passed through the first winter after the Ukraine war, February 2022, and they had the benefit of the Nord Stream. Now no more. And here we go. Bing, bing. Crude inventories in Oklahoma fell to 22 million barrels in the fourth week of September, hovering close to the operational minimum. That means when you read this, they are really squeezing the president. You better quickly go and stock up. But the price is very high. He's only willing to pay $71 per barrel. We went through that in quite a number of our cozy live trading. So he played into the enemy's hands. And that's the reason why the price cannot come down already. If the inventories continue to dip below those levels, it's going to be rough getting crude out into the market. He forecasts oil prices will continue to remain at high level for the rest of the years. Read this. And winter has not arrived yet. With an upside risk, if global oil cartel OPEC Plus continues to keep supply tight, confirm they will keep the supply very tight. They can't wait to sell Americans $100 per barrel. So this is granted already. No need to debate. Because this thing already happened with nothing happening on the surface. So I don't know what's happening below the surface. And that's why we are trying to kind of crack the code. The global oil markets are looking at pretty robust deficit on top of an already significant shortfall this quarter. And in September, Prince MBS extended its 1 million barrel per day voluntary crude oil production cut until end of the year, not for that month. It brings Saudi's crude output to nearly 9 million barrels per day. And the commentary, we do think that prices could keep up near these levels for quite some time, but I don't think it's too permanent, and we might have seen the end of this rally. Too early to say that. So continue. Russia also continue to top up the pressure to extend its 300,000 barrels per day export reduction until end of December. So can you see, we've seen this statement like end of the year, end of December repeated. It is a self-fulfilling prophecy. Oil price has to go up. And we are not even winter yet. All right? So the natural elements have not kicked in yet, but already they are preaching about confirm until end of the year. So we have to take this into a key consideration of our thesis, and then later on and connect inflation and interest rate. We're going to have a breakthrough, okay? So let's continue. And I think that's about it. The rest, you guys can do your homework. And right now, it's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. They start talking about the number. You come through $100 per barrel. And Goldman Sachs recently raised its 12-month Brent forecast from 93 to 100 on the back of modestly sharper inventory draws. Overall, we believe OPEC will be able to sustain Brent in an 80 to 105 range in 2024, citing strong demand growth from Asia region. Okay? Please make sure you are reading this. And, you know, I want you to make sure you really get the news article. This is so important. Because we're going to backtrack on this piece of news when we hit December in our major gathering in, usually you guys remember we do our goal setting for December each year. We're going to backtrack and show this article on that day, and you see how powerful this is, all right? Hi, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the way I go about performing analysis, connecting the dots, then I want to invite you to our upcoming Cozy Live Trading. This is a full-scale 5-hour session, and what we do is this. We always cover the past 2 weeks, what the key events have happened in the stock market, and we also cover the next 2 weeks. So together, coming to the Cozy Live Trading, you enjoy 1 month of complete knowledge whereby we connect the dots, perform the analysis, and then we fire off the trades. So join us really soon in the upcoming Cozy Live Trading. Go below right now, click to register, and I shall see you in the class. Thank you. Goodbye.